It's time for the $0 decorating challenge. Come on in, welcome to my home. So today, I thought I'd do something a little different with the $0 decorating challenge. And I'm going to try to do my entire house with no money. You know that I have a lot of spring stuff already. I've had this for ages, but I'm going to try to think outside the box. Now what's interesting is outside does not look like spring that much right now, but I'm going to try to do this on the inside. So one of the things which I did think that I wouldn't try to fight is I'm going to try to just add just a little bit of color to what I've already have, because it's not spring. It's not spring at all. There's snow outside. So what I want to try to do is try to get that feeling like sprouts coming up through the snow, but I also want to get this feeling of like spring out there. So I'm going to try not to go over the top without buying anything. I'm sure that everybody's got a box of pine cones. Yeah, all the winter stuff, well, most of the winter stuff is being put away so that way I can bring out more green. Everything is now done, and it took a lot longer than I thought it would because I did something which I did completely wrong. I forgot about the windows. You're saying, well, what does that have to do with anything? Well, remember when I showed you just a few seconds ago that it was snowing? Well, when I did my original goal, which was to make it look like spring in here, guess what? It looked like lemons had thrown up all over my place because outside was not spring. It does not even look like spring. So I had to tone it down a bit, which then made it even easier to do a $0 decorating challenge for spring, simply because, well, I didn't put out a whole lot. This looks a lot like spring. I used all the flowers that I've had before. I threw in the yellow plates that I have, and then I just very, very sparingly put yellow around. Here's the cool part about that. I get the idea that, with leaving most of the green out, which you'd already seen, I get the idea that, yes, things are popping up with spring, but I also left some of the, the snowball candle holders. I left them out because it's still snowing. Seriously, I thought by now we'd be done with that. But yeah, so here we go. Here's a look at what my house looks like for spring. Okay, so see, I didn't do a whole lot to this, and I think it looks a lot more like spring, and it doesn't look like a giant lemon. Yeah, that's important. Okay, so there you have it. Simple, easy ways that I did my house. I just did flowers, plates, just using what I had to simply do my house. What about you? Let's see what you did. You can check that eye in the sky or click on that, and it will take you to the playlist. If you've done a video for what you did to make over your house, link it down, or let me know, and I will link it into the playlist. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed what I did. Like I said, this was super simple, not exactly what I had planned, simply because one of the first things that you want to learn to do when you're trying to decorate your house for no money, don't fight your environment. Because once you start fighting your environment, you're losing. Because you want to then try to draw all the focus in, and you can't. You can't without probably spending a lot of money unless you have a lot of stuff, which I do have a lot of stuff, but I didn't think that would be fair. But yeah, this is literally just using plates and flowers. All of this I've had. You've seen a lot of it before. I just put it out and I did it very sparingly, and I think it got the point across. I hope so. Let me know what you think of it down in the comment part. I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.